announcement, which is the batch 5. So let me have the pleasure of inviting Khera District Panchayat Agriculture Branch, Krishi Sahai Package, Team Khera, Mr. Arvind Sonara, District Agriculture Officer. So do we have the gentleman with us? The next also goes to the Khera District Panchayat for their response to COVID. So as we just mentioned a little while ago, that there is a whole lot of work that has been done on the ground, and we don't know what we are fighting, yet we are trying to defend ourselves. Mr. Chinmoy Kumar Sarma Bordaloy, he's AGM from East Suvidha for the project East Suvidha from Assam Power Distribution Company Limited from Tezpur. This is the honorable mention for the good work that they have done. District Collector Satna for project development of school campus, construction of boundary wall and approach road, electrification of classrooms and providing fans and lights. Mr. Ajay Katesaria, District Collector. We have the gentleman with us.
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम अनुभव है। हाँ नमस्ते सर, अभी कलेक्टर महोदय कुछ आवश्यक काम से अभी फील्ड में हैं। जैसे ही सर वो आते हैं सर मैं उनको ज्वाइन करा दूँगा सर।
जी, तो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कि क्या ये क्या प्रोजेक्ट है, क्या बदलाव लाया?
इस प्रोजेक्ट में एक्चुअली सतना जिले में जितने भी हमारे स्कूल्स थे एंड स्कूल्स था, हमारा स्कूल्स का बाउंड्री वॉल्स हुआ था, स्कूल में पंखे लगाए गए थे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का पूरा काम किया गया था। ये सब चीज़ होने से बच्चों में काफ़ी बच्चों का जो है अटेंडेंस में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट आई थी और काफ़ी अच्छा एक मैसेज गया, जिससे कि हमारे स्कूल पंचायत भवन इन सब चीज़ों में काफ़ी बदलाव आया है। लोगों ने इसको काफ़ी पसंद किया है।
मनोहर जी, एक बात इसमें आप शायद नहीं बता रहे हैं, वो ये है कि जैसा कि हमने भी देखा था कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में जो बाउंड्री वॉल नहीं थी, जिसकी वजह से बहुत जगह का अतिक्रमण हो चुका था और पंचायत भवन भी जो था वो एक बड़ी खस्ता हालत में था, स्कूल भी टूटा फूटा था और वहाँ पे जो एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स थे वो भी काफ़ी शोर मचाते थे। तो एक तरीके से ऐसा माहौल बना हुआ था जो कि आपके कंट्रोल से बाहर था। तो शायद एक दीवार बना करके लगता है कि आपने सिर्फ दीवार खड़ी की, लेकिन उस दीवार से बदलाव आया इतना कि उससे सभी उसका जो डाउनस्ट्रीम इम्पैक्ट है कि बच्चों की सेफ्टी हो गई, उसमें जो आंगनबाड़ी है वो भी उसी बाउंड्री के अंदर आ गया। आपने जो एकर्स एंड एकर्स ऑफ लैंड है जो कि किसी और के हाथ में चला गया था, आपने उसको भी रिकवर किया।
यस सर, राइट सर।
जी, चलिए बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको अच्छा काम करने के लिए। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद। So we have District Vadodara with us for Integrated Water Management Project, Ms. Shalini Agarwal, Collector and District Magistrate.
She is there.
Can you spotlight her so that we can interact?
Requested her to turn on her video.
प्रेजेंट सर, कलेक्टर मैडम कुछ काम से बाहर गए हुए हैं तो मैं अभी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ।
जी। तो इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जरा संक्षेप में बताएं।
जी सर, हमारा बड़ौदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट का वाटर मैनेजमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट है। उसमें खास करके एक तो बड़ौदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जो 658 गांव उनको सारे को सरफेस वाटर से हमने कनेक्ट किया है। सारे गांवों को सरफेस वाटर से ग्राउंड वाटर से सरफेस पे शिफ्ट किया है। सेकंड ये है कि 95% हाउस होल्ड को टैप कनेक्शन से कनेक्ट किया है और सप्लाई कर रहे हैं अभी। थर्ड है प्रोजेक्ट हमारा कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट जितनी भी स्कूल है, प्राइमरी स्कूल है, सब में रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाए हैं, करीबन 1000 स्ट्रक्चर। थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट है हमने पायलट प्रोजेक्ट पे विलेज लेवल पे STP सीवरेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट विलेज लेवल पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया है और सक्सेसफुली अभी चल रहे हैं। और ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्ज के लिए हमने पॉन्ड डीपनिंग और न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन चेक डैम, इसकी पूरी मुहिम सुजलाम सुफलाम योजना के तहत चलाई है। उसमें काफी सारा हमने लगभग 100-250 स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाए हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है, आप इस काम को आगे बढ़ाएं, यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे।
थैंक यू सर।
Department of Elementary Education, District Administration, Kannauj. Capacity building through graded learning. Ms. Apurva Yadav. She is Deputy Collector. So has she joined us, Deepak?
Yeah, she is there.
Yes. We can see you. Kindly unmute yourself.
I'm just unmuting it.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, we can hear.
Yeah, I'm Apurva Yadav, Deputy Collector from Kannauj District. So I'm here to receive the honor on behalf of my district administration. So first of all, the Scotch Group, thank you so much for conferring us this honor. About this project, as we have presented before as well, this is about graded learning. As in, we try to improve the learning levels of the students in elementary classes. So by using innovative methods such as we have Bal Sansad, we have Bal Adalats, then we have Shikshak Chaupas, then we have library for teachers as well. So these methods we used for our project. So that's all for the background of the project, and we are hoping that moving forward we'll improve it further.
Sure.
So that's it from my side.
Certainly look forward to. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations. For the honorable mention, Ms. D. Ratna, District Collector, Department of Public Health and Preventive Medicine, District Administration, Aryalur, for the project National Deworming Day implementation.
Is there?
She's there?
She's
Next again goes to the district Aryalur once again for skill development, which is SBI RCT, Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. The third one goes to district administration Aryalur. So this is going to be a hat trick. So TNSRLM, which is SHG Bank Linkage Program. Dr. Manju Sharma, District Magistrate from District Administration Ashoknagar. Project Suchita, Ek Kadam Samman Ki Or. District Administration Baloda Bazar. Panchayati Raj Institution Accounting Software, PriyaSoft, and Public Finance Management System Integration. Dr. Fariha Alam Siddiqui, Chief Executive Officer, Zilla Panchayat.
She is there, but video is off.
Okay. Another one for District Administration Baroda Bazar. This is Nagad Sangwari, Pension at Your Doorstep. Mr. Sunil Kumar Jain, Collector and District Magistrate. Honorable mention for Scotch Crucible. District Administration Bikaner for Smart Citizen, Mr. Kumar Pal Gautam, Collector and DM. District Administration Badayun for all-round development of kids up to 14 years, Mr. Kumar Prashant, District Magistrate. District Administration Badgam, Constituency Development Fund Management Information System, Mr. Mohammad Rauf Wani.
Good afternoon. I'm representing the district administration Badgam. We had developed the Constituency Development Fund to show the utilization of CDFs of MLAs and MLCs of District Badgam. This was the time when the Constituency Development Fund was increased to 3 crores per year, and we had 5 of MLAs and 3 of MLCs. The MLCs fund is not elapsable and is being spread over the years or the term. So the management of the works done out of the utilization of these funds was a bit cumbersome, and it didn't have any database records, and periodical reports getting was a problem. There was estimates, approvals, and work done. They were in long registers, and it was to be found out manually whenever needed by the honorable MLAs or the administration or the public. And therefore, we developed this system, which was highly this saved the time. We saved almost 90% of the efforts while utilization of the funds and the work done out of it. The database is now readily available. The reports are available at a click, and then all this has increased the efficiency of the administration in running and utilizing the funds.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I thank Scott.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. So do we have the district administration Bikaner with us? We move on to the next. This is District Administration Bulandshahr for the project Jal Shakti campaign. Mr. Ravindra Kumar, just District Magistrate. Deepak, do we have the gentleman with us?
No, sir.
District Administration Champawat for Officers Availability Information Management, Mr. Surendra Narayan Pandey, District Magistrate. Has he joined us?
Yes, he is there. This video is off. Is there?
Yeah. Can you unmute yourself? Please go ahead.
हमारे प्रोजेक्ट को मतलब सेलेक्ट किया अपने इस कार्यक्रम में। ये एक एम्बिशियस हम लोगों ने कार्यक्रम बनाया क्योंकि ज्यादातर पब्लिक को ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि अगर उनको डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर या ब्लॉक हेडक्वार्टर्स पर आना है तो उनको ऑफिसर्स की अवेलेबिलिटी के बारे में जानकारी नहीं होती और वो फिर आकर के फिर वो व्यक्ति यहाँ से लौटता है और उसे काफी टाइम और उसका मनी जो है खर्च होता है और वो ऑफिसर से नहीं मिलता है तो उसके लिए काफी प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो फिर हम लोगों ने एक सिस्टम जनरेट किया है कि इससे जो है हमारे जो पोर्टल है उस पर वो देख सकता है कि वो ऑफिसर्स आज के दिन में ऑफिस में उपलब्ध है कि वो फील्ड में है या वो मुख्यालय से बाहर है। तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग फिर वो आकर के यहाँ पर अपना प्लान बनाता है और मिलने के लिए आता है और फिर उसकी जो समस्याएं होती है उस ऑफिसर से मिलकर वो दूर होती है। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको, हमसे जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद। We have the next one again goes to District Administration Champawat. Now this is the district's response to COVID.
Thank you again for selecting my project for this awards and projects. इसमें भी हम लोगों ने कोविड को, चूंकि हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेपाल बॉर्डर और से लगा हुआ है और नेपाल में चूंकि अर्ली 24 जनवरी को ही कोविड के केस आ गए थे और नेपाल और भारत का जो फ्रेंडली रिलेशन है उससे आवागमन काफी फ्रिक्वेंट होता है, तो उसको देखते हुए हमारे लिए काफी चैलेंज था और हम लोगों ने बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली जो मेडिकल स्क्रीनिंग है, थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग है और जो लोग हमारे जनपद में प्रवेश कर रहे थे, चाहे हमारे खुद के स्टेट के अन्य जनपदों से या नेपाल के लोग आ रहे थे, उनकी हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग करना, उसके बाद उनको अगर कोई ILI का सिम्टम्स है उसको संबंधित हॉस्पिटल में रेफर करना, जिससे कि किसी प्रकार से कम्युनिटी ट्रांसमिशन का जो चेन है उसको हम ब्रेक कर सकें। और इस वजह से ये रीजन है कि हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में अभी तक जो है जितने फ्रीक्वेंट विजिट हो रही है, हमारा इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर है, उसको देखते हुए हम लोगों ने कंटेंट कर रखा है और इसके लिए जो है काफ़ी हमारी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट की टीम है, मेडिकल टीम है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव टीम है, वो लोग रेस्टलेसली जो है काफ़ी इसमें एफर्ट कर रहे हैं और उसके प्रयास के थ्रू हम लोग इसको कंटेंट करने में अभी तक सफल रहे हैं। थैंक यू अगेन।
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको।
थैंक यू।
District Administration Diu, we have Ms. Saloni Rai. She's Collector and District Magistrate for project Ajivika एक कदम सशक्तिकरण की ओर। Yes, ma'am. Can you hear us?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Maitreyi Bhatt On behalf of District Collector Ms. Saloni Rai, today only we have 5 cases, so ma'am is busy with COVID cases today. We have the project Ajivika Ek Kadam Sashактikaran Ki Or. In that, we have mobilized women self-help groups and they have started their livelihood project. I'm very glad to inform you, sir. Right now, they are cooking for facility quarantine for the laborers of Deep district. Our Mahila Mandal, our self-help group females are cooking food, all 3 meals for our facility quarantine and for laborers of Deep district.
Excellent. Congratulations for doing good work, and keep it up. And God willing, we will be able to defeat Corona. Honorable mention for District Administration East Sikkim for the project Every Friday Field Day, Mr. Raj Yadav, District Collector. District Administration Gadag for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Mr. Rudrakshepa TS, Joint Director of Agriculture. Yes, Mr. Rudra, we can hear you. Would you like to say something? What is this project all about? I think Mr. Rudra is having some connectivity issue. We'll come back to you. In the meanwhile, kindly accept our congratulations. Thank you for joining us. District Administration Itanagar for the project E-Office at District Administration. Mr. Deepak Bhardwaj, Senior Software Developer. The honorable mention for District Administration Jagat Singhpur for project Jana Sahajoga, Mr. Sangram Keshri Mohapatra, Collector and District Magistrate. The next honorable mention for District Administration Jaisalmer for Samriddhi Jaisan Abhiyan, Mr. Namit Mehta, District Magistrate. Honorable mention for District Administration Kannauj, Ms. Apurva Yadav, Deputy Collector, for Project Innovation in Agricultural Practices for Sustainable Outcomes. Welcome back.
Yeah, hello, and thank you once again to the Scotch Group for conferring this honor. अगर project के बारे में मैं बताऊं background, तो it is it takes an integrated approach to develop the farm field. So इसमें we have used organic fertilizers, we have used the micro-efficient, micro irrigation methods, we have used plastic mulching. So we have used a variety of methods to improve the farmers' income, which is our goal. By like 2022, we are expecting to improve our farmers' income like by double. So it is in consonance with that. So बस राइट नाउ हमारे जो फार्मर्स हैं जो हार्डली शायद 2 या 3 लाख रुपए अर्न करना जिनका मुश्किल होता है एनुअली, सो वी आर एमिंग कि इस प्रोजेक्ट की हेल्प से दे विल अर्न अराउंड 10 to 15 लाख के बीच में उनकी इनकम रेज होती है. सो वी हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड इट ऑन स्मॉल प्लॉट इन आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट राइट नाउ. सो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड वी आर होपिंग कि हम पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे.
Excellent. So our congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
District Administration Nilgiris, Ms. I. Divya, District Collector, for response to COVID. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm the District Collector, Nilgiris District in SM Divya here. Our district has a very unique status of being a very beautiful tourist attraction spot, and we share borders with Karnataka and Kerala. So our response to the COVID situation had to be very quick and immediate. So we had long before the lockdown was announced, we had closed down our borders so that we wouldn't allow the entry of tourists, those with the corona symptoms. But first we were looking for those with symptoms, and then we understood that corona could also present itself without symptoms. And then we had to do, once we had around 9 index cases, we did our containment strategies very effectively. Entire area we had locked down, and all the door-to-door supply of materials, including provisions, vegetables, were all given door-to-door, and regular monitoring by the health teams, door-to-door surveillance of all ILI and SARI cases. Even now it's being done. It's a continuous process. Even now we are doing door-to-door surveillance. And also all those cases coming to PHCs and hospitals, anyone with fever symptom or otherwise, and anybody within the 5-kilometer radius of a positive case is also monitored. So by effectively doing these, following these strategies, we were able to defeat Corona. Right now, because of the ease of restrictions across our zone, we have been receiving a few positive cases, but the same strategy we have been following. The tourist destinations are still kept closed. But on the other hand, we ensure that the economic activities are not affected in any manner. So horticulture and tea operations we have begun in full swing, and only the tourism sector has been affected. And for those people who are dependent for their livelihood on the tourism sector, we have initiated a special group of schemes to give temporary relief to those people, and also a series of activities which will help them get credit at low interest rates, and also repayment with a repayment holiday by which they are able to start up their businesses again.
Excellent. Thank you very much for joining us and interacting with us, and congratulations for the good work done.
Thank you very much.
I next invite District Administration Shahdol, Dr. Satyendra Singh, Collector and District Magistrate, for his response to COVID. Welcome, Dr. Satyendra ji.
नमस्कार। सतना जिले में पोस्टिंग के दौरान जो काम किए गए हैं उस पे आपने भी आकर के फिजिकली वेरीफाई किया हुआ है जी। और आपको बताने में मुझे खुशी है कि हमने जिले के 2500 से ज्यादा स्कूलों में एक टारगेट रखा, जहां पर फैंस की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं थी, जहां पे हमको जो बाउंड्री वाल की दिक्कत थी, वहां पे कनेक्टिंग रोड की दिक्कत थी, और इन सारी चीजों में हमने करके और लगभग 50 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए डिफरेंट स्कीम से।
मैं आपको एक मिनट के लिए रोकूंगा। मैं हमारे साथ जो लोग जुड़े हुए हैं उनको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं कि जो सतना का प्रोजेक्ट जिसको कि ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट ऑलरेडी हमने अनाउंस किया, वो आपके कार्यकाल में हुआ, और अभी वहां से आप निकल करके आप शाहडोल में पहुंचे, जिसके लिए आपने वहां पे कोविड में अच्छा काम किया है। तो जो आप बात कर रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट की, उसका बैकग्राउंड ये है कि वो आप ही के मार्गदर्शन में उस प्रोजेक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट किया गया। प्लीज आप आगे बताएं।
तो इस पे दो चीजें हैं। एक तो सतना का मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि हमने 13 नए स्कूलों में जो काम किए, लगभग 10.5 करोड़ रुपए हमने DMF फंड से दिया, और उसमें से एक जो हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल था वेंकट, जो वहाँ का सबसे पुराना स्कूल था, केवल सिंगल स्कूल को 5 करोड़ रुपए दिया DMF फंड से। शायद हाईएस्ट होगा और बहुत कम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इस तरह से किया गया होगा। इसके बाद हमने 547 स्कूल्स में लगभग 24 करोड़ रुपए की बाउंड्री वाल का निर्माण कराया। 15,000 से ज्यादा पंखे लगवाए ताकि बच्चों को स्कूल जाने में और वहां पे बैठ करके अध्ययन करने में सुविधा रहे। इसके बाद हमने 260 न्यू अप्रोच कंक्रीट रोड्स बनाई और 148 स्कूल्स में पेवर ब्लॉक्स लगाए।
ये बात बताइए कि बदलाव क्या आया है ये सब करने के बाद में, क्या बदला वहां पे?
इससे कई चीजें जो चेंजेस हुआ है, तो ड्रॉप आउट की समस्या खत्म हुई है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मजबूत हुआ है, क्वालिटी इनहांस हुई है, चाहे वो टीचर्स की हो चाहे बच्चों का लर्निंग प्रोसेस हो। बच्चे स्कूल से चले जाते थे, अब 47 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में बच्चा बिना पंखे के बैठा हुआ है, अभी 5 to 6 आवर बैठा हुआ है। टीचर्स पढ़ाने में पसीने से लथपथ हो रहे हैं। जब बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे जानवर बैठे हुए हैं, प्रोटेक्शन नहीं है। ये सारी चीजें जो हुई, उससे क्या है, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन की तरफ हम लोग बढ़े, ड्रॉप आउट भी कम हुआ। ये सारी चीजें, और लोगों को एक ये भी हुआ कि नहीं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स भी जो है वो प्राइवेट स्कूल की तरह वेल मैनेज हो सकते हैं, वेल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो सकता है वहाँ पे। ये सारी चीजें हुई, और डिफरेंट स्कीम से, पंचपरमेश्वर योजना से, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फंड से, MLA MP लेड से, इन सारी चीजों से हमने जो पूल किया, तो 50 करोड़ रुपए काफी बड़ी राशि होती है एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर पे उसको लगाने के लिए, वो चीज की गई है। और जो सेकंड जिसपे आप लोग बात कर रहे हैं, कोविड की तैयारियां, तो मैं उसमें बताना चाहूंगा कि 15 मार्च को मैंने जब यहाँ का ज्वाइन किया, उसके 5-6 दिन के बाद ही टोटल लॉकडाउन का जो काम शुरू हुआ, तो उसमें हमने पहले बार ही वो किया। उस समय हमारे यहाँ कैबिनेट का गठन भी नहीं हुआ था, तो हमने डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल के लिए 73 लाख का डीएमएफ से अप्रूवल लिया, जो फाइल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी तक गई और उनका अप्रूवल हुआ। तो जो हमारी पीक लोड पे जो हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट था 6 वेंटिलेटर का, उनमें से 5 वेंटिलेटर तो हमने मार्च महीने में ही उसके लिए फंड प्रोवाइड कर दिया था डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल को। और मेडिकल कॉलेज जो हमारा स्टार्टिंग फेज में था, उसमें काम शुरू नहीं हुआ था, उसको हम लोगों ने डेवलप किया और कुल मिलाकर के लगभग 1.25 करोड़ रुपए अब तक हम लोग अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल को दे चुके हैं पिछले 2-2.5 महीने में। और मेडिकल कॉलेज को हम लोगों ने पूरी तरह से कोविड के लिए तैयार किया। और आज स्थिति यह है कि पूरा हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में पूरे कोविड के दौरान अभी तक हमने एक भी पेशेंट को भर्ती ही नहीं किया है। और डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल को हमने पूरी तरह से
सिचुएशन को संभाल करके कंट्रोल करके रखा है। हम यही चाहते हैं, हमारी तरफ से यही शुभकामनाएं हैं कि ये सिचुएशन जो है कंट्रोल में रहे। जो कुछ पॉजिटिव केसेस आपके यहाँ पे निकले हैं वो भी धीरे धीरे करके नेगेटिव हो जाए।
इस पे एक और बताना चाहूंगा कि अभी हमारे जिले में आज तक केवल 17 केसेस मिले हैं, जबकि 40,000 लेबर्स इस कंट्री के डिफरेंट स्टेट से और डिफरेंट उससे आई हुई है डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, उन सबको हमने वो किया हुआ है। और हमने अपनी ट्रूनेट मशीन अभी मेडिकल कॉलेज में हमारी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, हम उसी से सैंपलिंग कर रहे हैं।
इस सब की चर्चा जो नेक्स्ट हमारा पैनल है उसमें आपसे करेंगे और तफ्तीश से समझेंगे कि आपने क्या क्या ठोस कदम उठाए हैं ताकि ये जो कोरोना की महामारी है आपको ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट ना कर पाए। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और इसके लिए हम आपको कांग्रेचुलेट करते हैं। थैंक यू। डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन साउथ दिल्ली, response to COVID. We have Dr. B.M. Mishra, who is district magistrate. Welcome, Dr.
A very good afternoon to all of you, and thanks for giving me space on this platform. See, our challenges were manifold. In the beginning itself, we had the international passengers, then the local group called Merkers, and then the spread was there. We tried to start with containing the disease right in the beginning. We came up with the institutional quarantine facility, and the first institutional quarantine facility in the country. We prepared it with a rocket speed in Tirapant, Bhavan, Chhatarpur. Then came the problem of how to monitor the home quarantine people. They were roaming here and there and they were not following. We then developed one home quarantine app which is available on the Android as well as the Apple Store. And with this app, GPS-based app, which we later on got the approval of the MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well to monitor the people. We are able to monitor people as and when they roam out of their house or they breach the fencing of 50 meters. Then the containments were decisions were taken, and in containment we had the problem of doing containment survey, and that manual survey of thousands odd number of people, and then taking decision who all are symptomatic and whom to shift and when was getting cumbersome. Then we also decided to go ahead with the containment survey application, and we developed
Dr. I'm aware that you have taken many innovative steps to
and
contain.
One more thing.
Although Delhi has been, at the quite a center of discussion when it comes to Corona. So, you are joining us on the next panel, and we will have the benefit of listening to you and try and understand as to what are those innovative steps that you have taken and how is it that you're going about implementing it, so that in the near future all these cases are taken care of and you are better prepared before it goes on to the next level. So thank you very much for joining us, and congratulations to you once again for doing good work.
Thank you.
Next is District Administration Vizianagaram. Me Kosam Meals Scheme. The honorable mention goes to Dr. Hari Jawaharlal, District Collector and Magistrate. We have
Sir, good evening. Sir, good evening, sir.
Mr. Lal with us. Yeah.
Sir, good evening, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving this golden opportunity. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद sir आपको. Sir, this is basically, sir, every Monday we are conducting these grievances and many people are approaching the district collector from hundreds of kilometers with a hope to redress their grievances. That is on Monday. So I noticed some people, those who are coming from far off places, they are feeling hungry and not having food and all that. So I requested all our heads of department who were sitting in the grievance hall. Then we collected some amount, some salary amount, exclusively for the purpose of the poor people whoever are approaching the district collector's office. So we decided to provide a meal for ₹10 rupees. So the exact cost is actually 35 rupees per head. The remaining amount we are paying on subsidy portion. Sir, here we are also providing free of cost meals for the disabled people as well as the pregnant women. This is Mikosa meals, and the people are very, very happy for taking this kind of innovative activity by the district.
Dr. Lal, I can understand that, while on the face of it, you are only saying that you're providing meals at a subsidized rate of 10 rupees and free to the people who are physically challenged and disabled. But the far-reaching impact of your intervention possibly could be that enhancement in the satisfaction level and the redressal of your grievance system, grievance redressal management system, wherein people coming from far areas would feel hungry, would stay hungry, they walk on foot, spend all that fear, they would not come to you. Right now, so what's been the difference? Earlier, how many people would come and how many are coming today?
Sir, in fact, it was 175 to 200 per day before this kind of Mikosa meals, and right now the number is enhanced to 500 to 650, 700 like that.
Great.
So out of
that's quite an achievement. Are the number of grievances also getting settled in the same rate?
Yeah, this is the topmost. I mean, the entire state. The Vizianagaram is stood first in the disposal grievances.
All right, great. Thank you so much for joining us and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The next award also goes to the District Administration Vizianagaram. This is Scotch Order of Merit for Water Conservation. So can you briefly tell us what this project is all about?
Sir, basically Vizianagaram is known for tank irrigation districts. The major portion of economy comes from the irrigation channels. We have 9,183 irrigation tanks there. So all the entire district administration, we took an oath for three aspects. We are doing three kinds of aspects, sir. One is donate red, spread green, and save blue. See here, the save blue concept is taking care of the tanks and water bodies so that we can able to recharge the ground water recharge, so that the irrigation potentiality will be maintained. Similarly, we also conducted a public involved the majority of public in this program, the so-called the Cheruvu Suddhi Seva. This Seva, by means of taking help of the public representatives and also people and the youth, they themselves participated in this.
Well, that's quite commendable, because people and making them the stakeholders is very, very important. So thank you so much, Dr. Jawahar. Thank you so much for joining us.
In offshore area, or
here is one more for the District Administration Vizianagaram: innovation for safe delivery among the pregnant women in tribal villages. So, Dr. Jawaharlal, are you still with us? And importantly, the district response to COVID for district administration, Vizianagaram. I believe that you're on our panel subsequently, immediately after the order of merit. So we will interact with you more on this particular issue during the panel. Thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
The district Panchayat Dahod. Mr. Dr. Jawar, we'll come back to you. We will interact at great length during the next panel discussion. So this is District Panchayat Dahod Aspirational Indicators of Health. Dr. R. Pahadia, Chief District Health Officer. Yes, we can hear you. Can you hear us? Looks like they are having some connectivity issues. So we move on to the next announcement, which goes for again District Panchayat Dahod for Project Apni Ma. Mr. Rachit Raj, District Development Officer. Mr. Raj, are you there? Looks like the connectivity problem continues with them. So there's a third one for District Panchayat Dahod. So this is the response to COVID. Mr. Vijay Kumar Kharadi, District Collector. Do we have the DC with us? Deepak, do we have DC with us?
No.
The next one goes to the Gurugram Metropolitan City Bus Limited, GMCBL, for response to COVID, for all the innovations that were brought about by the CEO of the City Bus Limited, Sonal Goyal. Congratulations to you. You can unmute yourself while you speak. Yes.
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Dhanjal, and good afternoon to everyone. Thank you so much, Scotch Group, for giving GMCBL, the City Bus Limited in Gurugram by the name of Guru Kaman, this opportunity. As I'm aware of, I think I'm in the panel, so I would very briefly mention about GMCBL. So GMCBL is a city bus which is operating in Gurugram since September 2018. And we have a fleet of around 200 buses, out of which 150 plus were on the road when the lockdown was announced. So if we see that how we moved ahead, and the traditional role of a bus, city bus, was kind of thought of to be restricted when the lockdown was announced. But we shouldered our responsibility with the district administration, Gurugram. We repurposed our public transport as a utility bus. The city bus was used for a mobile grocery shop. We also helped the migrants to reach out to the relief shelter and the shelter camps, which were set up by the administration. We also distributed relief material as well as sanitary kits to the migrant workers and also the people living in slums. One of our bus was also converted into the mobile COVID sample collection bus. So that was an initiative in association with Pathfind Lab for sample testing. We are now a part of Vande Bharat mission, and we are transporting the travelers and the passengers from airport to various quarantine locations in Gurugram. We are also using the bus service for transporting the patients as well as the health team to various places to reach out to the hospitals, also to reach out to the quarantine locations. And also when the patients are being discharged, they are being sent to their home locations through Gurugram.
Congratulations for bringing in a new dimension to the city bus service, so
Thank you
far
so much.
unheard of. So we will interact with you more.
Much.
We'll have an opportunity, and thank you very much for joining us, and congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
So this brings us to the end of the current round of Scotch